Gonzalez. I own a 2018 Honda Accord with a 2.0 liter turbo engine, and the reason why I'm making this video is because a lot of people are having the same issues that I was having in regards to hearing a rattling noise from the driver's side. I read a lot of forums, and what they said was to remove this strut bolt cap here. It's like a rubber piece, and basically this protects the nut that's in here, basically, so no water or dirt to get in there. So in the future, if you need to change your suspension, it will be easier to take out. So I actually removed this. This only occurs, the noise only occurs when it's about 25 degrees out or less. So I actually did that. Today is about 15 degrees, and once I removed the driver's side, I had no noise. I kept it on the passenger side, like you see over here. You could take out both of them. I just took out the one on the driver's side, and the issue here is fixed. So if you're having the same issues I'm having, you could do that. Especially on the forums, they said that people have been taking the cars to the dealership. They've been taking the dash apart, leaving their cars in there for a day to a week, and they still didn't figure out the problem. So to prevent that from happening, just take out the, like I said before, just take this out, and you should be golden. You shouldn't have a problem anymore.